Hi, welcome to the world of expansion, our very last lesson. Now, I've mentioned to you before, there are four ways of factorization. I only show you two. Take out whatever is common and grouping. Here comes the last two methods of factorization. I told you also before that factorization is walking backwards, so it really pays for us to do the expansion first before we do the factorization. Okay? Now what we have over here is a plus 2 times a plus 3. Using distributive law, we are supposed to have a times a times 3. So a times a will give us a square, a times 3 will give us 3a. 2 times a, 2 times 3. So 2 times a will give us 2a plus 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer we have is a square plus 5a plus 6. Here comes the question, why should we do that? I like to mention this over and over again. Everybody has a chance to shake hand with one another. But what really happens is this. Let me give you in a diagram format. Imagine that we have A and A times A. In this case, A is extended by 3 centimeter. So allow me to do this. 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is 3. And the other A is extended by 2 centimeter. So it's slightly shorter, maybe somewhat like that. So now we have A plus 2 times A plus 3. I want you to look very carefully. Some students think that it's a simple procedure whereby a times a square, 2 times 3, 6, that's it. That's simply not true. As you can see, the area we have over here is 3a. 3 times a. Over here is 2a. And over here is 6. Alright, so that's why we have our 5a, or 3a plus 2, 3a, 2a, and 6. Alright, I hope you understand. Okay, the other one. Okay, same thing. If you use distributive law, x times x, we have x square, x times minus y, we have minus xy. This is a positive xy, and this is a negative y square. So eventually what we have is x square minus y square. Now here comes the factorization. Okay, now in this case, a square plus 5a plus 6. How do you factorize to get you back this answer? This will be the topic at last in our last lesson for factorization. In this case, it's a known fact that this is called difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, whereby you have x squared minus y squared, you always have x plus y, x minus y. If we have a squared minus b squared, then it will be a plus b, a minus b. I will see you in our last lesson of factorization. If you have any question, you can always remember this. Alright, my name is Yuman. Thank you.